Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hi friends! Today I draw a cute sheep. Let's get started. First, draw the eyes 2 round circles.
Okay.
Next, draw the fluffy forehead above the eyes.
Nice.
Pew, 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 pew.
Now add the ears on both sides.
Oh, nice. Nice.
Then make the body big and fluffy.
Nice. Nice.
Cool! Draw the legs with hooves. Finally, I draw the nose and mouth with a little smile. Our sheep drawing is done. Now it's time to color. I use pink for the nose and mouth. Add pink to the inner ears. I use maroon for the hooves. That's it. Our cute sheep is ready. Outline it with a marker to make it pop. I hope you enjoyed drawing and coloring these sheep with me. Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art. And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video. Bye!